Okay, this video is mainly to give you some hints on this worksheet that you'll be doing in class on Friday. So for each of these systems, you're going to solve by graphing and by substitution. To solve by graphing, it's easiest if they're in y equals mx plus b form. Each of these has the first equation already in that form, and the second equation you've got to transform. Okay, so that means you want the y by itself. So for this one, we can just subtract x from both sides, and we've got y equals negative x plus 4. This one, you're going to have to subtract x and then divide by 2. And then when you come down to solve by substitution, all of the y's are solved for already in these equations, so you're really going to be taking the expression for y and plugging it in where that y is in the equation down below. Okay, now on the other side, you have some word problems here, and it says to do this on a separate sheet. So make sure that you do that, and also notice that numbers 1 to 3 are required. Okay, so I'm going to give you a hint on the first one to get you started. Bella bought 2 CDs and 2 DVDs. She spent $76. Michael bought 3 CDs and 1 DVD. He spent a total of $74. This is way back in the day when people bought CDs and DVDs, so just play along with me. Okay, so I see that I've got information for Bella, and I've got information for Michael. 5 CDs and 2 DVDs, and she spent $76 total. Michael bought 3 CDs and 1 DVD, and he spent $74. So these are my pseudo equations. Just from looking at what I need to figure out, I can probably figure out what my variables are going to be. One variable for the cost of each DVD, and one variable for the cost of each CD. That's your hint for number 1. Not finished for you, but a hint. For number 2, this one is about Chase. So he worked a total of 135 hours during the month of July and earned $3,600. He earned $25 per hour each weekday that he worked. He earned $40 per hour each Saturday that he worked. Okay, so this is going to take a little bit to break it apart. First, I'm going to look at the money. So $3,600 he earned in total. And he earned that from, some of it was money earned on Saturday. That was when he got paid more. And he also got some money that he earned on weekdays. Alright, let's fill this out a little bit. How much money does he earn on Saturday? Well, it says $40 per hour. So this money earned on Saturday is going to be 40 times number of Saturday hours. How many hours he works on Saturdays. And then we're going to have $25 times how many hours he works on weekdays. Okay, so this was our first pseudo equation. We did it a little bit more detailed here, and that's still equal to the total amount of money. Okay, now there's other things that we haven't used here yet, is that he worked a total of 135 hours. So that includes both the weekday hours and the Saturday hours. So I can really include that information. So I know that 135 hours is equal to however many hours he worked on Saturdays, so number of Saturday hours, plus however many hours he worked on weekdays. Okay, so now you'll notice that I've got some probable variables in these words or phrases that I've written out. That's your hint for number 2. Numbers 1 through 3 are required, and 4 and 5 are a bonus. You got this.